You know, the days of just copying and pasting AI content? Yeah, they're pretty much over. We're seeing millions of clips uploaded every single day. But honestly, only a tiny fraction of them are actually pulling in any meaningful income.
So why is that? Well, it's simple. Advertisers just aren't looking for robotic, automated stuff anymore. They want real value. They're looking for trust. They want creators who are actually solving real problems for people. And here's the kicker. Contrary to what you might think, you literally don't even need to show your face to become one of those top-tier creators. In today's Explainer, we're diving deep into how one camera-shy creator used the YMSG 71-day system to build a premium, totally faceless digital business. We're talking about attracting a loyal audience, setting up multiple income streams, and building some serious momentum, all in under 3 months. Oh, and definitely stick around until the end, because the source material includes a special bonus framework designed to help you accelerate this exact same transformation.
To really break down this framework, we'll be looking at the foundation, the content engine, the visual workflow, the monetization ecosystem, a really crucial key lesson, and then wrap it up with that bonus offer. Okay, let's jump right into phase 1, the foundation, which covers days 1 through 15. So, the case study introduces us to this guy, Alex. He's an introvert with a ton of valuable knowledge, but absolutely zero desire to be on camera. Sound familiar? Like a lot of creators, Alex just assumed you needed to be super charismatic, have crazy expensive gear, and constantly put yourself out there to succeed. But using the source material's YMSG Micro Niche Profit Finder, he spotted this massive opportunity. Guided meditation and focused training content specifically designed for busy professionals. Notice that? Not just general meditation, not some generic relaxation channel. He went for a highly precise audience, a very specific problem, and a clear transformation. And honestly, that one single decision completely changed the game for him.
It really drives home this point from the framework. Profitable channels are rarely built around broad topics. Instead, they're built around solving specific problems for specific people.
Moving on to phase 2, the premium content engine, spanning days 16 to 35.
Now, according to the case study, most faceless creators fall into a really critical trap. They make content that just feels automated. You know what I mean? Generic scripts, boring visuals, robotic delivery. But Alex, he took a completely different route. Instead of just letting AI write everything for him, he started with his own real thoughts, his personal experiences, and authentic insights. Then, he used AI tools to just refine those ideas, not replace them. And that approach created something way more valuable.
He ended up with content that actually had personality and emotion. It connected with viewers on a genuinely human level. The result? A content engine that felt authentic, engaging, and super memorable. Which, by the way, is exactly what audiences are craving right now and what advertisers are practically begging to sponsor.
All right, phase 3, the premium visual workflow, covering days 25 to 50.
Because great content really does deserve great presentation, right? Instead of relying on boring static slides or the same repetitive stock footage we've all seen a million times, Alex built a really consistent visual identity. Every character had a unique look, every single scene reinforced his core message, and every visual element was there for a reason. His goal wasn't just to make it look pretty or impress people, it was to keep them hooked. Because, as we know, engagement drives watch time, and watch time is what drives growth. The big takeaway here? Premium content isn't about having an insanely expensive production budget. It's about intentional production.
Next up is phase 4, multi-stream monetization, which takes us from day 36 all the way to 71. By this stage, Alex really grasped something that a lot of creators honestly never figure out. Ad revenue alone is not a business. It's just one piece of the puzzle. So, using the YMSG monetization framework, he started to diversify. He built an ecosystem that included affiliate partnerships perfectly aligned with what his audience actually needed. He created digital resources to solve their specific problems, offered lead magnets to build up an email list, and put together strategic offers that just added even more value across the board.
Because he did all that, his channel evolved from just being a place to watch videos into a full-blown business ecosystem. He had multiple income streams flowing in, tons of opportunities for growth, and most importantly, multiple different ways to truly serve his audience.
Bringing us to section 5, the lesson, clarity and strategy. You see, the real power of the YMSC system isn't just about making content, it's that it helps you build a system, one that completely removes the guesswork, keeps you laser focused, and actually translates your passion, skills, and market demand into a highly structured business model. And it leads to this really profound realization. The creators who succeed aren't always the most naturally talented ones out there. They're usually just the most consistent. And let's be real, staying consistent is a whole lot easier when you actually have a clear roadmap to follow. The original source actually lays out a super clear call to action if you're serious about building a monetized channel. It encourages you to engage with the creator's channel, Profit Path TV, so definitely go click like and subscribe over there. Plus, the source even provides simplified steps in its description, showing how the creator will set up a brand foundation, essentially storefront, for you at absolutely no extra cost.
It even gives you direct contact channels if you're looking for a totally customized setup. It points you towards a website built with Google Sites, which is a great, secure way to hold all your essential links without running into pesky platform issues. And if you want a really professional, customized hub to host those links, the framework's creator actually shared a direct email, dphiampspaceGStraining@gmail.com. You can reach out there to coordinate sharing Google Docs and get that custom foundation built for you.
At the end of the day, it all boils down to this. Knowledge without action doesn't change a thing. But action, when it's guided by a proven framework, that can change literally everything.
Finally, Phase 6, the bonus offer, an exclusive invite.
The framework wraps up with this really cool exclusive bonus. The creator is offering to personally step in and help generate strategic outputs, and even review the foundation of your business model for the first 7 viewers who engage with the material. To qualify for this, there are just 3 quick steps. Step 1, complete the micro-niche profit finder. Step 2, drop your answers into a Google Doc. And Step 3, share that document with the creator using the instructions they provided.
This entire framework is your opportunity to stop second-guessing, stop putting things off, and finally start building a premium digital asset with real purpose. Because your journey doesn't start when you magically feel ready. It starts the very second you decide to take action. So, as the era of spammy automated content fades away, are you going to be the one left behind? Or are you going to be the one quietly building something of real value behind the scenes?